Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. Let us continue with the chapter Shelter, children. Now we are going to begin with the houses around the world. Children, we have learned about the houseboats, igloos, right, children, today? And we will make ourselves now, we are going to make ourselves aware about two more new types of houses, children. Okay, let's begin. See, these are the houseboats, or you can say boat house or houseboats also, you can say, beta. And they are found in Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, and Kerala, children. And these are the igloos. I've told you how the heat has been trapped inside, and you can stay very easily, comfortably inside the igloos, children. And the people here who lives in the igloo, inside the igloo, they are called as Eskimos. This is igloo, children. It is made up of blocks of ice, children, है ना? And yes, now let us begin with the new type of house, that is a house on stilts, children. As you can see in the picture, you can see these. See, can you see the bamboos here? है ना? And on this they have made a house, children. And do you know why do they make a house on stilts? Why it is called as stilts? And why do they make the house there? Because it rains a lot. Example, Assam. In places with heavy rainfall, houses are built on stilts, children. इसको stilts बोलते हैं, which hold them high above the ground. And one of the city in India, as one of the state, in fact, in India is it. It is about, sorry, I'm talking about Assam, children. It rains a lot in Assam. So the people have to construct the house the way it has been shown in the picture over here. Okay, so please remember the house on stilts. They make a house on stilts. And why do they make? Because it rains a lot. बहुत बारिश आती है बेटा वहाँ पे. Okay, next, here, see, just now I spoke about the Assam. Here, see the city of Assam, children. This is, see the first picture, the storm. See the condition of the city over there. है ना? It's full of water, children. That is why they have to construct the house the way I have told you, beta. Now, some people, they keep moving from place to place. They are called as nomads. उसको बोलते हैं nomads, means they don't stay in one place. They are called as nomads, children. They live in tents made of cloth, and these tents can be moved from one place to another very easily, children. They don't stay for long time in one place. और ये जो होते हैं ना, in हिंदी we say बंजारा we say in Hindi. They don't stay in one place, you know. And I'll tell you why they keep on moving from one place to another. There's a reason also. Okay, so please remember, these people are called as nomads. They live in a tent, and they can open up the tent. Okay, and that is why, you know, it can be taken easily. It's a mobile tent. It can be taken easily from one place to, it can be moved easily from place to place. Okay, children, है ना? So, and the people who live in tent, what did I told you? They are called as nomads, children. Then I'll tell you why they keep moving, children. Do you think, why do you think nomads live in tents? Any guesses? Maybe you know the answer, but let me tell you that actually these nomads are in search of edible plants, you know, water and games. In some of the world, the nomads move from one place to another in order to hunt and to gather wild animals. They gather the wild animals, okay, then they hunt the animals, okay, then and they choose such a place where the water is easily available, children. Okay, so in search of edible plants means the plant which they eat. Okay, they are need of water. They play games also, children. So all these criteria, all these factors, maybe it is their tradition, I can say, है ना? That is how they have been brought up, and their forefathers are also doing the same thing, so that generation, so they do the same activity, children, है ना? So they also keep moving from one place to another, children, and they are called as nomads, children. Okay, So please remember the house on the people make the house on stilts, like in Assam area where they have a heavy rain. It rains a lot over there, and here the people who live in the tent. See, children, not the nomads only. It's not that the only the nomads, the people they use the tent actually. If you see these campers, we say na, the people who go for the camp and all the students who go for the camp. Yes, they also live in a tent. And I've seen in the Discovery Channel also the people who are adventurous people, when they go to the jungle and they want to make a video about the animals, creatures, and all. So there also they try to live in a tent, children. And the climbers, the people who climb the mountains, they also make a tent, and they because they need rest, na. So for a meantime, if they want to rest, they make a tent and they rest inside the tent, children. Okay, but here I'm talking about the nomads, children. बंजारा बोलते हैं हिंदी में. And these people, they keep on moving from one place to another, children. They have animals also along with them, because at times when they are, suppose they are in the desert, so they keep all their material things on the camel. The camel is a ship of the desert. Camel can move easily on the sand, तो animals के ऊपर में वो सामान रख लेते हैं, and that is how they move. If they are not in the desert, then they use the other animals, children, like donkeys and all, and the horses and all. They keep the things on them, and that is how they carry the things from one place to another, children. So they keep the animals along with them. Okay, children. That's all for today, children. That's all for today, and I hope you must have understood this chapter. This is very easy chapter, children. है ना? So stay safe. Please take care, children. God bless you. Love you, children.